Hello, it's Monday the 15th. I'm FxPlew and this is the market brief. So it's all about central banks this week. The MPC is mulling over a potential rate cut on Thursday, and fresh data has been added to the mix. Unemployment is holding steady at 4.7%, but average earnings slipped to 4.8% in the 3 months to August. That was down from 5%. Inflation is stuck at 3.7%, and there is upside risk looming from dodgy harvests as farmers are warning of weather woes which could naturally push prices higher. The MPC looks fairly split. Those still focused on inflation, like Catherine Mann, want rates to stay higher for longer. Those still now keen to foster growth, like Swati Dhingra, will support further rate cuts. On balance, perhaps no change is the likely outcome for the vote. Meanwhile, they will also look at a slowdown in bond sales from the Bank of England. Quantitative tightening has been dumping gilts onto the market at a rate of about £100 billion a year. Where borrowing costs have been pushed to a 27-year high, they may trim that back by about 25 or 30 billion pounds per year. All in all, it's shaping up to be a pretty big week on Threadneedle Street. Over in the US, economic growth is outpacing the UK, Japan and most of the Eurozone. Trump's tariffs remain a bit of a wild card consideration for the Fed, as much as dear old Donald and his personal unpredictable approach. Nevertheless, the Fed must play the cards they're dealt, even when there is a joker in the pack interfering from the Oval Office. Broad expectation is that we'll have a 25 basis point rate cut from the Fed this week, which will be the first cut of the year. But if the next jobs report goes negative, we can expect further cuts to follow, and fast. In the market, the dollar index pulled back to about 97.25. That was on rate cut rumours. But where a jumbo 50% rate cut looks less likely, we kick off the new week around 135.60 against the dollar, 115.65 against the euro, and euro dollar is around 117.25 on the open this morning. That's it from me. Hope things brighten up for you now the storm warning is over. I'll be back again tomorrow. All the best.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FxPlew.